is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Fortnite on your Android phone. So this is actually really easy to do. So you can see I can open this up now and it'll probably start downloading more of the game files. But what you need to do is go on over to the Google search bar. It doesn't seem like it's always on the Google Play Store. So if I go to the Google Play Store right here and I go to my games, I'm not able to see Fortnite anywhere, even though if it's one of the top chart games. It's not on here right now, so it seems like it comes and goes a lot. I'm not able to find it. In the past, like a couple months ago, it seemed like it was on here. So you want to go to the Google search bar and just type in Fortnite. Go to Fortnite.com. Once you go to Fortnite.com, you should be able to see the option to download. So www.fortnite.com, go to it right here. Wait for the website to load, and in the top right, it should say install. It will have you download the Epic Games Store, and then you just download Fortnite in there. So let's go to install, right here. And it'll give you two options. So you can go to download now or the Google Play Store. If I go to the Google Play Store, I don't think it's in here though. It says uninstall. This app is not compatible with my device anymore. Okay, so it was at one point. But we can go to download now and just tap this, and it will download Fortnite. So you will have the Epic Games Store downloaded. This is the Epic Games Store. You're going to have to sign in with your account. Then you just need to find Fortnite under the Epic Games Store. Here it is, right here, and there's Rocket League. And then we can open this up and install it. You're going to hit install, just like it showed before, and then open this up and go to allow and accept any permissions that pop up. And then Fortnite's going to be downloaded and installed on your phone. You can play if you can't find it in the Google Play Store. So I think my phone is just really slow and it's got a 6 GB download. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.